Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stayblowingminds. Today I will be sharing with you my wig secrets. Yes, I've been getting feedback from my subscribers. They say, where do you get your hair? Who makes your wigs? Where can I get these bundles? Your wigs are booming. Yes baby, I am going to be sharing with you where I get my wigs, who makes my wigs, who installs my wigs, and take you in a little sneak peek of the company that I work with installing my wigs, how she creates the magic. Stay tuned.
You need to say what I've been through. You already know what I'm into. You need to say what I've been through. You already know what I'm into.
Guys, the name of the company that makes these flawless wigs is called Just Be You Protective Crowns on Instagram. I will link their name in this video as well as in the description bar below. So when making a custom wig, you know, I hit up my girl. She first has to measure my head. I'm gonna add some of the steps that Just Be You Protective Crowns does while making the wigs. Her first step is usually measuring my head, or you can measure your head at home, guys. You are gonna first measure from ear to ear. You're gonna measure the nape of your head from side to side at the back here. I don't know if I could show it any better. And then you're probably gonna measure from front to back. You're also gonna measure your circumference. Guys, don't feel like you have to be pressured to do all these steps at home. You could also meet up with her or book an appointment to come and get all of this done. She also sells pre-made wigs. Go on her Instagram and you could see all types of different wigs. This wig is a custom 30-inch HD frontal wig. These wigs are all machine sewn. She first doubles the wefts. Whether you want a mesh cap or a spandex cap, she outlines the cap. I will show a clip in this video. And if you want to learn how to do these steps yourself, she also teaches one-on-one classes. All the information is listed on her website. I will also link her website in the description bar below. She also has 2 lace tint sprays for whenever you want to do your installations at home on your own. Get into this. The lace tint adds that skin tone look. This wig was installed by Hair by Cass on Instagram as well. I will also link her Instagram in the description bar below. These wigs also could be glueless. They come with an elastic band underneath. Also come with an elastic bag for that glueless effect. Yes, dolls, I'm giving you all the secrets. I'm spilling all the tea. Just Be You Protective Crowns on Instagram is a winner. Stay tuned while I add a lot of these clips so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The first step is bleaching the knots. While bleaching the knots, guys, you want to use a fork and spread it like you're spreading butter onto toast, just so that it doesn't over seep onto the hair itself. I will never not bleach my knots. It makes it just look so flawless when it's melted into your scalp, guys. Then you want to leave the bleach sitting on the frontal for maybe 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the strength of the developer you have chosen to use. Then you want to double the wefts using the sewing machine to secure them to add them to the wig cap. Now that the wefts are doubled, it's an easier transition to sew them onto the wig cap, following the lines that you have created on top of the wig cap. Here you can see how Just Be You Protective Crowns outlines their wig caps and sews on the doubled weft onto their units. Here is how inside of the wig cap will look using the sewing machine method.
So we add our frontals last. This is a lot easier for when the client is ready to have their frontals replaced. It's very easy for us to just be able to detach it and attach the brand new frontal, which basically makes a brand new wig. So ladies, please don't throw out your wigs. We do frontal replacements, we do closure replacements. If you bring in your own hair, or I can supply the hair, it's totally up to you.
So after the frontal has been hand sewn by Just Be You Protective Crowns onto the unit, they also add the combs along with the elastic band in case you want to use a glueless method of application to your unit. As mentioned previously in this video, Just Be You Protective Crowns also provide lace tint sprays in 2 different shades. One shade is Mocha and the other shade is Hershey. Also in the video, it shows you how to use the lace tint sprays and if you need to add a second coat to, match your tone, stuff like that. Keep watching, guys. Here she took a sample lace from the HD frontal that she's provided for me, and she has sprayed the lace tint spray to see if she needs to go a shade lighter, and then she puts it against her skin tone to see whether or not she needs to go up, or maybe she did too much. Watch, guys. Now that she feels comfortable with which of the 2 tint sprays that she's going to use, she now adds it to my lace. She does all of these steps for you, baby girl. She also sells these lace tint sprays for $10. I think they're $10 or maybe $15. I could be wrong. Go on her website, y'all. Go on her website. She has everything. She also has them in certain outlets in the city. She could give you more information on that via her Instagram at Just Be You Protective Crowns as well. Just Be You Protective Crown also slays them edges, plucks those baby hairs, and have it ready to be slayed. So here is the finished product of my wig, and in the videos ahead, I will be showing you who installs my wigs and the finished look, girls. So the wig actually comes in this nice silk bag. It's amazing, dolls. I'm showing you guys when I got my wig, how I opened it, how it looks, how I put it on my head, how she tinted the lace already for me, ready to go. As I mentioned before, Just Be You Protective Crowns adds the elastic band at the back in case you do not want to glue on this unit. And it also lasts longer when you wear them glueless, because the glue kind of messes up the lace, and the HD laces are very thin, so you have to be super careful with applying these wigs. However, my wig is lit. Well, ladies, I'm showing you guys how I would do it at home if I wanted a glueless look, just with cutting off the lace. Of course, I didn't cut the lace off myself, honey, because I wanted to be slayed. But I'm just showing you guys how you could do this at home. You could use your got-to-be glue. You could use maybe just a spray, just for a little quick little fling on and go, baby. So now that I've showed off enough, I am headed to Hair by Cass, another well-known Toronto stylist, to apply this amazing unit, guys. So my frontal is an HD lace frontal, and Just Be You Protective Crown used the color Mocha to tint my frontal. Thank you to Hair by Cass for installing this bad boy. Like, come together, baby. At this point, why you never bring the light long time? Okay, my eyelashes are not participating. I'm not really like glam. Yes, this is the final look with this Just Be You Protective Crown unit that she has created for me, installed by Hair by Cass. Hello. The hair felt amazing. It was silky. It had minimal shedding. I suggest you girls get this wig. At this point, I'm just showing out, baby girl. I'm just showing out. I'm showing off. I'm doing all types and giving you guys angles. I'm giving you guys inches. I'm giving you guys length. Boom! That's it, folks. Now you see the slay. Do you like it? Yes. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, boo. Love y'all.
No need to say what I've been through. He already know what I'm into. He be reading my mind like a simple. I'm bringing my line.